Workplace bullying and harassment describes a wide range of negative behaviors, including physical, verbal, and psychological mistreatment by one or others in the workplace. We deserve to feel safe, comfortable, and at ease in our working environment. Acts of bullying can include malicious comments and gossip, forcing someone to work overtime or blocking promotions, hazing, where you are made to do something humiliating or inappropriate to be accepted, or even physical violence. When someone is being bullied, it makes it difficult to focus on daily tasks. A victim may feel scared, depressed, and it can even affect life outside of work too. In a company where bullying flourishes, it can lead to high employment turnover and decreased trust, which leads to reduced productivity. Here are some measures you can put in place to ensure your workplace is free of bullying and harassment. Encourage employees to act towards each other in a respectful and professional manner. Make it clear in your company handbook that bullying is not tolerated. Train management to spot and stop bullying. Ensure there are confidential processes for reporting bad behavior. Make a commitment to support bullied employees. If you are being bullied, document everything that happens. Check your workplace bullying policy and make a complaint. If an employee reports the issue of bullying, investigate and stop the behavior. Eradicate bullying so that everybody can feel safe and successful at work.